Had your breakfast? Okay, children. So now, yesterday we learned, what did we learn? Only about the additive inverse, additive identity, and multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse. We learned about the inverse and how to write the inverse of that. So today, we'll learn to simplify. Actually, we need to apply the properties. Now I'll show you the direct method. It is very, very simple. You should learn this. These are very, very important. Okay. So you have to learn this, practice, change the numbers. At least 10 problems you have to solve today at home. Okay, children. So now, ready? Pen is ready with you? Okay, okay. So now, take down the first one. I want you to take down this take down this question. Simplify. Simplify. After writing questions, nobody is allowed to write anything. Just write question. Read that properly. Yeah, simplify. Read it twice. Then I'll start. That is minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. Understood? Written? Done, children? Shall we start? Shall we start? So look at the problem very carefully. Very carefully. If it is only 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5, then what you people will do? It's just a multiplication. Is it a multiplication of rational numbers? Multiplication of rational numbers. Then we have here addition and then subtraction. So we'll divide this to 3, 1, and we'll keep this. First we'll do multiplication. We'll complete the multiplication. So first minus, yeah, tell me. Our check problem, yeah, don't write. Check problem, whether we can simplify here itself. 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5. Don't write. Minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. So this is 1 term, 1 and 2 and 3. In this, Meghana. So now try this.
We can't see, ma'am.
Yeah. Now
Ma'am, we
check
can't see you.
screen.
We can see, ma'am. We can
Yeah. Yeah. So now, Dalvin, turn on the video, please. I want to see your faces. I'll talk to Harshita later. Okay. So now, look at this one term. What can be done? Can we simplify here itself? Can we simplify here itself? Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we simplify? Yeah. We can cancel
Yes, ma'am.
3 and 3. Yeah. We can cancel
Ma'am.
3 and 3.
3
So
and
now we'll get, yeah,
minus
next term.
2 by 5.
Yeah, wait. Next term plus 5 upon 2. Okay. Next we have 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. Here we can cancel 3 ones are 3 twos are. Is it clear, children? Is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am.
This step is clear to
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Yeah, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 5. Now we have cancelled 3 and 3.
Minus 2
Minus
divided
2
by 5.
upon 5 plus
Ma'am.
5 upon
5 upon
2
2.
minus 1 upon 10. Wait. Minus 1 upon 10. So now, as we cancelled here, you can't cancel 2 and 5 and 5. This is multiplication. Now here we can't cancel. Now what we need to do is, we need to take what?
Subtraction.
We need to take
LCM.
LCM and
LCM.
simplify. Do you remember these
Yes,
steps? Now, do you remember?
ma'am.
Yeah, now what is the LCM?
Ma'am.
Yeah, directly we
10.
can take
10.
10, but I think you people have forgot. I'll do it again. 5,
No, ma'am.
2, yeah, 10. No need to do it. Directly you can solve 2, 5, 1 za, 5 za, again 5, 1. Now what is LCM? LCM is 10. So after getting LCM, we'll take LCM 10. Okay. So now what's the first term? What can be done?
Divided by 5 into 2 into
Minus
5,
2 upon 5.
2.
Ma'am, we should multiply both.
Yeah. Do you remember this? 2
Ma'am.
here,
Ma'am.
2, 2,
5
5
into 5.
into here,
5.
5. Here 10, 10, 1, and here 1. So now minus 4,
1.
getting minus 4 plus 25 here minus 1. What is the answer? What is the answer?
20 divided by 10.
25 minus 5.
20.
Why minus
Plus
5?
plus 20.
Yeah, minus
Plus
1,
20.
minus 4, it is minus 5 divided by
Plus 20.
10. Now it is, yeah, 20 upon 10.
10.
It will be 2. What's the answer? 2. It is 2. Understood?
Ma'am.
Understood? Okay, got
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
now wait.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give time to write. Take down. I'll give time to write. Yeah, take down. Already you have taken that question. Yeah. Is it clear, children? You want me to scroll this?
No, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished? Finished?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. They're all writing it seems. Vaya. Aditya, written?
Ma'am. Yes,
Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Danish done? Good. Shraddha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Shall we move to next question? Shall we move to next
Yes,
question?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, written? Everyone? Done?
ma'am.
Okay. We'll move to next question. Yeah, take down the next question. Take down the next question. Atif, you're not writing. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, yeah, look at the problem properly. 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 into 2 upon 5. So now, see, these two are multiplied. This and then this. Okay? Okay, children? Written question. So now, what can be done? First step is we'll check, is it possible to simplify? First, okay, the terms, we'll check 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7. Can we simplify in these two? No. Minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2. Can we simplify? Can we simplify? Look at the terms.
Yes, ma'am.
3 ones are
ma'am.
3
Yes, ma'am.
twos are. Okay. In this, 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Can we simplify? Yeah, 2 ones
are
are
14,
2
ma'am.
sevens are. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, now we'll go to this. Minus 2 threes are 6, 5 sevens are 35. Minus, next one, 1 upon 2 twos are 4. Getting, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 1 upon 7 fives are 35.
35.
35.
35.
1 upon 35.
Okay, 1 upon 35. Now, what's the next step? What's the next step?
Taking LCM.
We'll take LCM. Okay, good. So, what will be the LCM? What will be the LCM?
60.
35 4.
35? 35 fours are.
4.
So, what will be the
70.
Is it 70? 35?
140.
Is it 140?
140.
Right?
140.
Very
No,
good.
140.
Okay, okay, good. So LCM of 35 and 4, again 35 ones up. No other terms. Here again 4. Okay, so 35 into 4 is 35 into 4 is
140.
40. So now,
140.
yeah, now 140 is our LCM. 140 is LCM. What to do? Here. How to write?
Into
1
140.
minus 6
35
into
into
minus 6 into 35
4 into 4.
minus 35
Yeah. Minus 1 upon 4 into?
Into 35.
Yeah. 35.
Into 35.
Plus 1 upon
4.
35 into
35.
4 into
4
4.
to 4.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll take. So now, what will be the answer?
40.
140. Here?
40 upon 140.
Yeah. Here? Tell me.
Minus 24.
Minus 24. Here? Minus 35 plus 4 It will be, what will be the answer? Minus 59. Is it minus 59?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 4 upon 140. Now it will be
Minus 55.
minus 55 upon
Minus 55.
140.
140.
Yeah, in which table? 5.
5 table. 5, ma'am. 5 table.
5.
5, 5.
5 ones
11
are-
5 are.
Okay, then here
11 5 are.
5 twos are again 5 8 it is 8. What's the answer?
11 by 28.
Is it right? Minus 11
minus
by
11.
28. Minus 11 upon 28. It is not only 11 upon 28. It is minus 11 upon 28. Got, children? Got?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, children? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now take down. Once again, I want you to do this properly fast. Using property we'll do later. So now take down. This is 2. Okay. So now take down fast. I'll give time. Question is done, no? You want me to scroll?
No, ma'am.
Can you see whole thing from first to last? Because I
No,
am
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
no, last
Yes, ma'am.
steps, last steps.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, right, Farouk, writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Fast.
Rating.
Okay, fast.
Ma'am, over.
Shall I scroll? Everyone's.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Miss Scroll. 14.
Done? Komal,
Yes.
Shreya. Yeah, I think they're all writing. Yeah, Umar, mute it. Umar, mute. Farouk, mute. So now, Shreya, done? Shreya,
I'm over.
Shreya, done? Abhijit, Sangeeta, Shreya, done? Understood? Understood, Ramya?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need practice. Sanika, Darwin, okay, done, done. They have sent that time. Good. Murari? Okay, any doubt, children? Any doubt? Danush? Okay, good,
ma'am.
good, good. Umar Rayan? Okay. Salman?
Ma'am.
Okay. Why Vikas and Vikas Ganiga? Any doubt here? Any doubt, children, in this session? Okay, only it's
ma'am.
about simplification. You have to practice many problems. Okay, shall I give some problems? Will you solve? Will you solve at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Should take these problems, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. You have to solve yourself. Take down.
Yes, ma'am.
He's not listening.
I'm not speaking. Okay. That is the reason you're not, I'm not audible to you because I have muted myself. Okay, now I will read. Okay, 5 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 minus 2 upon 3 into minus 1 upon 4.
Done.
Done?
Ma'am.
Okay, everybody has to solve. Again, next session will be mine, but I'll
I'm
go
not
to
listening, ma'am.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
audible? Yeah. So now, next session will be again, it will be my session. I'll go to the next exercise. Hope you all have textbooks. Better you refer text.
No.
You
Ma'am,
should have.
we can.
You should have text. Okay. Because after 2 sessions, within 2 sessions, we are going to finish this lesson. Within 2
Third
sessions.
one,
Yeah, third one.
Ma'am,
ma'am, in the,
What? Huh.
ma'am, we should keep a book.
Classwork you can start writing.
Ma'am, we should write this in classwork.
Yes. You should write all these things
Yes,
in
ma'am.
classwork. Okay.
Then we should solve this problem in classwork only.
No,
Classwork,
no.
ma'am.
These problems will be separate. You should solve this in some working book or homework. Anyhow, you have homework book. You have to solve that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
children.
by Monday
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
buy classwork and textbooks, ma'am.
It's your wish. You should, because we are going to finish the first lesson. I'll go to next. Okay. 2 upon
Yes.
7. Are you getting, children?
Ma'am, these three problems we should write in classwork.
I said no, dear. No need. These are working. You are going to solve. It will be in homework, but you have to send it to my WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp, you can send the solved problems. Everyone. Okay. So now,
Ma'am, another one class.
yeah, next session will be again mine.
Ma'am, yours only, ma'am.
That in this session, we'll go for next exercise. Okay? That
Ma'am,
will be last.
next.
Yeah, no. I'll continue. You don't worry about the physics because maths will take more time. You have to practice daily this. Okay? How did you feel? Okay? Those who are textbook. Yeah. Some problems I will solve.
Buy the textbooks, ma'am.
Yeah. You should have your textbooks. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. It will waste. No? Okay? So now
Yes,
take
ma'am.
the questions. Take down the questions, children.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, over.
take the
Okay.
finished.
Ma'am, over.
Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So exactly 10:10 you log in. 10:15 I'll start the session. 10:15 I'll start the session. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Take care. Have your breakfast and come back within 10 minutes. Okay.
15 minutes I will come.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Take care.
Bye.